So good morning all of you and welcome back to the online math class. Previous day we have solved question number 5 of 1 of exercise number 1.1. Today we will start solving from question number 2. Okay. Question number 2. Exercise number 1.1. Page number 5 of NCERT book. First of all, go through the question. Question number 2. So that the relation R that is defined on the set of all real numbers. It is containing the ordered pair A comma B such that A less equals to B square, where A, B all belongs to the set of all real numbers. Now you have to prove it. It is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Can you do it? For doing the class, respond me. Now A less equals to A square, which is not true. Which is not true for all A belongs to the set of all real number. That means the order pairs of the same elements, that is not belongs to R. For all A belongs to set of all real numbers. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Is it clear? Is it clear? Respond me through message. I am waiting. Respond me. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Now we will check the symmetric property. Suppose A comma B belongs to R, which implies A less equals to B square, but which does not implies B less equals to A square. So B comma A does not belongs to R, for all A belongs to set of all real numbers. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Is it clear? Do it in your copy. Any queries, any question, ask me. This is purely logical mathematics. So, any queries, then ask me. Any queries, then ask me. I am waiting for the response. Any queries? Ask me. Is there any queries? Okay. Now check the transitive property. I am erasing this portion. Transitive property. Suppose A comma B and B comma C belongs to R. Therefore, A less equals to B square and B less equals to C square, which does not implies, both of them does not implies A less equals to C square. Therefore, A comma C does not belongs to R. A less equals to B square and B less equals C square does not implies A less equals C square. You can't conclude. You can't conclude from here. For all ABC belongs to set of all real numbers. Therefore, R is not transitive. So R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Is it clear? Question number 2. Is it clear? Respond me. Who are doing the class? Respond me. Anubhav, Vishal, respond me. Okay. Okay. So can I move on to the next question? Question number 2 is done. Can I move on to the next question? Okay. So move on to question number 3. Here the R is defined on the set. The set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On this set, the relation is defined as containing the order pair A comma B such that B equals to A plus 1. Okay. On this set, the R is defined as containing the order pair A comma B such that B equals to A plus 1. Now we can write it in the roster form. Taking A equals to 1, you get B equals to 2. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. These are the elements 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. These are the order pair containing in R. Okay. Now there exists no element. There exists no element like XX or AA belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. So there is no order pair of the same elements. No order pair of same elements. So R is not reflexive. Now is it symmetric? We can write it by counter example. Since 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now check the transitive property. Since 1, 2, 2, 3 belongs to R, but combining them we will get 1, 3, that is does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. Okay, so R is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. Isn't it? Question number 3. You are asked to check whether the relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Is it all right? Question number 3. Is there any queries regarding question number 3? Okay, so move on to question number 4. Go through it. The relation R is defined on the set of all real numbers, defined as containing the order pair A comma B such that L is equals to B. Here all the A comma AB belongs to set of all real numbers. Now, so that it is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. So, clearly L is equals to A for all A belongs to set of all real numbers. Therefore, the order pair A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs set of all real numbers. Therefore, R is reflexive, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Respond me. Who are doing the class, please respond me. Okay. Now we have to check the symmetric property. Suppose A comma B belongs to R, therefore L is equals to B, which does not implies B less equals to A, isn't it? Isn't it? Therefore B comma A does not belongs to R for all AB belongs set of all real numbers. Therefore R is not symmetric. Again, suppose for the transitive property, is it clear? The symmetric property, is it clear? Respond me. Who are doing the class, please respond me. Keep responding. Keep responding. Now for the transitive property, suppose A comma B and B comma C belongs to R. Therefore A less equals to B and B less equals to C. Both of them implies A less equals to C. Therefore A comma C belongs to R for all A, B, C belongs set of all real numbers. Therefore you can conclude here R is transitive. R is transitive. So R is transitive, R is reflexive, but R is not symmetric. That is our question number 4. Is it all right? Is it all right? Is it done? Okay, now question number 5 that is left for you. Try to do it at your home. We will now move on to question number 6. Similar type of problem, question number 5. Try to do it at your home. Move on to question number 6. Go through question number 6. The relation on the set is 1, 2, 3. The relation is defined as containing the element 1, 2 and 2 1. Now is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Tell me the logic. I am waiting. Tell me the logic. Tell me the logic. Here 1 1, 2 2, 3 3 does not belongs to R. Okay. Isn't it? So R is not reflexive. There exists no element actually. There exists no element of order pair of the same element. There exists no order pair of the same elements. That's why it is not reflexive. Now you can see from the definition of R here, 1 2 and 2 1. So 1 2 belongs to 1 and 2 1 belongs to R. That's why it is symmetric, isn't it? Since 1 2 and 2 1 belongs to R, so whenever AB belongs to R, BA belongs to R, B comma A belongs to R. That is the definition of symmetric. So R is symmetric. Now for transitivity, if you combine 1 2 and 2 1, you will get 1 1. Okay, 1 2 2 1 belongs to R, but combining both of them you will get 1 1. That is not belongs to R. So R is not transitive. So R is not transitive, not symmetric. Sorry, R is not transitive and not reflexive, but it is symmetric. Okay, is it all right? Is it all right? R is not reflexive, not transitive, but it is symmetric. It is all right. So move on to the question number 7. Move on to question number 7. Question number 7. So that the relation R in the set A of all books in a library of a college. So A is the set of all books in a library of a college. Okay, and the relation that is defined on A, that is containing the ordered pair A comma B, containing the ordered pair A comma B such that, okay, here it is given x comma y, such that A and B have same number of pages, same number of pages. Okay, now you have to show it. This is an equivalence relation. You have to show it. This is an equivalence relation. Okay, can you show it? Can you show it? I am waiting. Respond me clearly. A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to A, capital A, the set of all books. Why? Because same book, if you take two same books, then they have same number of pages, isn't it? If you take two same books, then they have same number of pages. So logic, since two same books have same number of pages. Okay, isn't it? Yes, therefore R is reflexive. Is it all right? Is it all right? Now suppose A comma B belongs to R. Therefore, A and B have same number of pages, which implies B and A have same number of pages, which implies B comma A belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. So we get reflexive, R is reflexive and R is symmetric. One more part is left. We have to check now the transitive property also. Can I erase this portion? Is it done? Can I erase this portion? Okay. Suppose A comma B and B comma C belongs to R. Therefore, A and B have same number of pages. Also, B and A have same number of pages. Now combining these two, we can write here, sorry, this is B and C have same number of pages. We have taken here AB and BC. So AB have same number of pages and the BC have same number of pages. So combining these two, we can write here B and C have same number of pages. So taking AB and BC belongs to R, we get here A comma C, that is also belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. So R is reflexive as well as symmetric and as well as transitive. So what we can conclude here? Tell me students. R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So R is an equivalence relation. On the set A, that is the set of all books of the library of the college. Is it all right? Anubhav, Vishal, respond me. Is it all right? Today we have done up to question number 7. Today we have done up to question number 7. Any queries? Any queries? We have done from question number 2 to question number 7. Okay. So that's all for today. And we'll be back again with a new class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. And before leaving the call, you just type your name with P. Okay. So goodbye all of you.